Here is my spaghetti squash recipe. Go ahead and cut that thing in half, but please be careful. This is tough, so watch your fingertips. Scoop out the seeds on both sides, of course. Turn it upside down on a microwave-safe dish. Pour just a little bit of water on the bottom because you're going to steam it for about 10 to 12 minutes in the microwave. Now, while that's steaming, go ahead and dice your onions and get ready to saute your onions with some garlic and a little bit of oil in the skillet. Now, while that's cooking, you're going to open up your pack of Italian seasoned ground turkey, put that in there, and go ahead and start to cook that. But we're going to add just a little bit more flavor. So we're going to add onion powder, garlic powder, more Italian herb seasoning, pepper, and just a little bit more of salt. And we're going to cook it until it's done. Now, by this time, your spaghetti squash should be done. So if you press it and it leaves the mark, that means it's done. But y'all, this is super hot, so please be careful. Use a fork and scoop out the spaghetti or the actual spaghetti noodles. Dump your cooked meat into the squash, and you're going to add in your favorite pasta sauce. Stir it up real good. Now, I like to add a little bit of Parmesan and mozzarella cheese because I like cheese all throughout, but not a whole lot because, again, we're trying to be healthy. Okay. So we cut back on some carbs, but we don't want to cut back on a lot of the flavor. So I add my spaghetti squash back into the shells itself, but I do layer it with a little bit more of cheese. Top with some mozzarella as well as some Parmesan, and we're going to put it in the oven on 350, and we're going to bake it until the cheese is melted all the way through. Now, y'all, I want y'all to take a look at this. This stuff is so nice that I had to show it to y'all twice. Here's the first time. Don't that look good? Don't that look good? Now let me run it back for y'all one more time. One more time. One more time. Don't that look delicious?